friends, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. As you can tell from the title, I'll be doing 7 looks with this beautiful, gorgeous Candy Skies palette from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. Something about these colors. It's pastel, it's rainbow, it's a mix of metallics and mattes. It's a lovely palette. By the way, if you're new here, hi, welcome. This is Makeupry. This is a fun place on the internet where we play with color and we do some fun makeup art. So if you want to see some colorful eye makeup looks, then stay tuned. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed those 7 looks. Oh my gosh, as I said, I've had so much fun with them. I am enjoying this palette. I think that it's cohesive and I love the color story. I love that you can create so many fun looks with this. So out of this palette, I have to say that my favorite colors are Macaron and Sunset. As far as like the metallics go, this Sunset shade is a beautiful coral peach, but it's a little bit darker than your typical peach shade. I would call it like pumpkin meets mango. And then the Macaron is a duochrome that shifts between a lilac, lavender kind of purple, and a pink. Very pretty. I also really like these 2 pastel mattes here. Sometimes with pastels, especially with really light pastels like these 2 here, they don't really show up. I will say that I did use a light colored base to get them to pop on the eyes. I'm not usually the biggest fan of pastels because of that issue, but I found that these were quite enjoyable to use. Okay, that said, I love this palette. I'm excited to have this in my collection. It smells really nice. I can't quite pick up what it is. It's like lemonade almost, or something kind of fruity, something like that. I feel like I could go to the beach or to the fair, to the carnival, any of those kind of summery activities, and just have some fun with color. So very inspiring palette. I'm so glad that I bought it. It is now the time where you all get to decide which palette I do next in my color story challenge. The 2 palettes that you guys get to decide from are dun, 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 the Flower Beauty Suns Blazing or the Sigma Untamed. So here is the Sigma Untamed palette. It is a bit grungy. It is also kind of light and pretty, and then you've got a navy blue, some other fun shades in here, but I think this would be fun for a transition from summer to fall. And then there's the Suns Blazing palette, which is obviously sunset tones. There's some beautiful deep rich shades here, some gold and yellows, and I think that would also be fun for a transition between summer and fall. So leave a comment below letting me know which palette you want to see next in the Color Story Challenge series, and also just let me know which of these looks was your favorite. I can't decide. I have to say I cannot decide. I think the first one is maybe my favorite because it's the most colorful, but then I love this one, and then I love the one I wore yesterday, which was that teal one. I don't know, you guys, help me pick. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay electric as always. Mwah. Bye. I look super glowy, and it's super nice. I don't have anywhere to go to show off my pretty makeup today. I need a life.